Yeah, crazy, right? We're here at Phapheng Waterfall. It's massive. It's on the Mekong. There's Sita. I'm taking pictures. It's really, really kind of shocking and a little bit horrifying. Can you imagine back in the day, you're like exploring, doo-dee-doo-dee-doo, doo-dee, oh yeah, it's kind of hot today, Mike, yeah. Well, I'm glad we brought a lot of water, doo-dee-doo-dee-doo, oh, I'm getting a little sleepy. What? Yeah, the ride here is pretty easy. Good road all the way. I highly recommend it. This area with the waterfalls between Cambodia and Laos holds the world record for the widest waterfalls. It's like 10 kilometers. Yeah, really quite fantastic. We're gonna have some beer lao and some pork sausages and some lemon grass chicken, I guess. All right, if you come here, you won't regret it. It's amazing. People are super nice. It's got a nice breeze. And the swimming's great. Real exciting.